5 websites that can make you up to $500 per day fast. This is what we're going to be talking about in this video. Got some great stuff for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, everyone. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marissa, and on this channel, what we do is we dive deep into how to make money online, how to create a side income for yourself, how to improve your current online business. I give tips and tricks on that. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button if that is your jam, because my goal is to teach you guys everything I know from A to Z on how to do this, because I know when I was trying to figure it out, I needed help. So every day I post videos just like this to try to help you guys and gain that knowledge so that you guys can duplicate what you do or what I do and have that time and location freedom and be able to spend more time with the people you love and travel the world like I do if that is what you want to do. Okay? So this morning I'm actually still finishing up my last week here in Bali, Indonesia. I got my teeth cleaned. It was $22 US dollars to get my teeth cleaned here, which is mind-blowing because I think minimum it's like $100 in the US if you don't have health insurance, and I don't. So I got my teeth cleaned here, and yay, you can see my pearly whites. All right, let's get into today's content with the 5 websites where you can make $500 per day. Now, disclaimer. This is not going to be easy no matter what website you choose to pursue, no matter what type of way you choose to make money online. It is hard. It is not easy to make money online. So whatever I show you, you're going to have to put in work. And whatever I'm showing you, I've made money with all these platforms except for I think one technically, but you guys have to be willing to grind and build up to this level no matter what it is, because it's like any skill. It's like anything you go to school for in the university. A dentist, a psychologist, an engineer, a doctor. You can't learn it overnight. All right, and that's why people give up so quick and think that making money online is a scam, because they don't understand it and they're not willing to put in the work. They want overnight success. They want to make $1,000 in a day tomorrow, and it's never going to happen. All right, so put in the work and let's get going. So website number 1 is obvious, but I have to mention it. It is Amazon affiliate. So if you want to sign up and be an affiliate with Amazon.com, you should, because Amazon.com has millions of physical and digital products that you can promote. And you should promote them, because if you have a passion for a niche, let's say, you know, it could be photography, and let's say maybe you're into the outdoors niche and you like to camp and hike a lot, you can create a YouTube channel around camping and hiking and outdoors, and do daily vlogs, do how-tos of survival, do hiking tips and tricks, and have all of the products you purchase on Amazon, have the affiliate links in the description so people can reference it and go ahead and buy through your link and purchase, the hiking stick, the hiking tent, the whatever camping gear you have. That is a cool way to start a side income with something you're passionate about. So that is exactly what I would do to promote products on Amazon. So another hot YouTube channel you can start with Amazon.com is technology. So you can have a camera, basically YouTube channel. You give reviews on cameras, lenses, drones, GoPros, whatever it is, and have the link to the Amazon affiliate product in your description. Super profitable because not only you make money with the affiliate commission, you make money with YouTube as your channel grows, and you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. So that's website number 1. Website number 2 is Shopify. Now, a reason I have to mention Shopify is because this is how I had my big breakthrough online my first year in entrepreneurship. I was able to do 6 figures with e-commerce and with Shopify, but I have to warn you guys, e-commerce is very complex. E-commerce is not get rich quick. There's a lot of moving parts with e-commerce, everything from picking a niche to building up a store to finding products to put in the store and sell and drop ship to fulfilling the orders to keeping track of your profit and losses, to learning Facebook ads or learning other means of driving traffic to your online website. E-commerce is a beautiful business model. However, it is very complex, and you have to be willing to grind and maybe wait a few months until you get as good enough where you're able to generate your first few sales online. But it is a great way to get started with making money. If you do want to learn more about my #1 recommended program to start with Shopify, go to ecomlikeaboss.com, and it helped me to generate my first 5-figure month with e-commerce and my first 6 figures online. Website number 3 is clickbank.com. Now, I am ride or die ClickBank until the day I die, because ClickBank is solid. It is the #2 affiliate marketing space right behind Amazon.com. They have niches everywhere from arts and entertainment to business to relationships to email marketing to make money online, travel, every type of niche you can think of. It's most likely there, or some form of your niche. Now, I love ClickBank because it is trusted. It's been around for 20 years, and they've done billions of dollars in sales and do billions of dollars in sales every single year. And I will forever promote some type of ClickBank product because they're usually solid products, and they don't promote, trashy digital products, and they're quality products out there. So I love ClickBank. What you would do is go to clickbank.com, start a free account, pick what niche you want to promote, and you can promote it anywhere, on YouTube, a blog post, Instagram, Pinterest. Platforms like that are really hot ways to market your products and send people to your affiliate link in whatever niche. Now, I recommend, if you are interested in starting a ClickBank affiliate marketing business, I have an entire ClickBank playlist that you can see in the description. Go there, check it out. If you want to dive deeper, I go over how to pick profitable products, profitable niches, how to build funnels to those products, all that type of stuff, how to drive traffic, and I think you guys would enjoy that. So you can check that out later after I get done with my next 2 top recommendations. Now, website number 4 that I recommend for making money online, making up to $500 a day, is Kartra. What is Kartra exactly? Again, I have plenty of videos and resources on Kartra, but it is a platform that I use to host my email marketing, to build my funnels, and also it's all the tools that I need in one to have an online business. I'm able to create my landing pages, my thank you pages. I'm able to create my own digital courses with Kartra. I host my leads and my emails on Kartra, so it has a full email marketing capability, so it's all in one. So there's no need to get a sales funnel builder and pay for an email marketing service, because Kartra has it all built into one system. So as an affiliate for Kartra, I've been able to make a lot of money, and Kartra is pretty great because it's backed by Frank Kern, the man himself, who's just one of the top internet marketing gurus in the world. I love this website. I love it because you can make money as an affiliate with Kartra, and the cool thing about it is it has its own marketplace for products. So it has its own mini ClickBank where it has several niches. You can go and choose products to promote right from Kartra, and it's really a brilliant thing. So you can make money. You can make money within the marketplace and market other people's products. So it really is an internet marketer's dream and an all-in-one solution if you have any type of online business. The 5th and final website where you can make up to $500 per day is Legendary Marketer. Now, Legendary Marketer is a program that I'm a part of. It's also called an affiliate marketing system, where you pay a monthly fee where you can access a huge amount of information on, most importantly, how to become an affiliate marketer, how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. And these trainings that you access give you the foundation and give you the tools that you need to build an online business of any type. And why I love Legendary Marketer, and I've already started making money with it in the first 2 weeks of being part of this system, is because you can earn while you learn. So you promote Legendary Marketer, you promote their products, and you can earn commissions and also build your online affiliate marketing business. And the great part is you have a coach along the way that guides you and is there to answer any questions that you have about the trainings that you're going through and how to build up your affiliate marketing business. Now I'm going to show you guys what this system looks like and how you can get started. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this system on my computer. What this is an affiliate marketing done for you system. And what that means is in this system of Legendary Marketer, you get different education, you get products where you can learn how to do online marketing, and you can also market and sell those products within Legendary Marketer and earn commission. So what I mean by done for you system is Legendary Marketer has its own staff, its own products, its own landing pages, advertisements. So it's kind of like a bundle and a package in one where you can leverage this system and you don't have to create any of these on your own. So you can go ahead and market the products that Legendary Marketer has and promote them and make commission. So the idea is to earn as you learn. And the way it works is if you sign up for Legendary Marketer, it's $30 a month to become a member, but you get a wealth of training and you get access to coaches who help you in your success along the way. So you would have to go through 15 steps first before you can become an affiliate because they want to make sure you know what you're doing. But at the same time, you get access to the Marketers Club, which is a comprehensive training on all different types of online marketing, social media platforms such as Facebook, lead generation and tracking, YouTube, Instagram. So it's all right here. So as you're learning, you can market Marketers Club and start to drive traffic to Legendary Marketer. And you don't need to, the beauty about Legendary Marketer is you don't need your own funnels, you don't need your own email swipes, you don't need your own website. You can go ahead and get started today because as you look in the affiliates tab, they have all of those resources for you. So they have landing pages you can use, sales pages you can use. They have banner ads if you're doing paid advertising, video ads, ad copy, email copies. It's all there for you. And just to show you a little bit of income proof, I've only been an affiliate of this system since May 28th. And let's go ahead and check out the calendar. Today's June 12th. And already I've made just under $500. So I've been an affiliate for 2 weeks now, just about, a little over 2 weeks. And I've been able to make, let's see here. I've been able to make just under $500 in commissions, and that is growing every single day. I'm able to get leads into the system, into my business, and this is just one of my many online businesses and products that I promote. But my goal with Legendary Marketer is within the next 2 months to have created $6,000 in profit in sales. So this number is going to change dramatically. And then by the end of this year, 2018, my goal is to be doing $25,000 in sales. So if you guys were interested in learning more and interested in signing up with Legendary Marketer, I have a bunch of resources and bonuses if you were to join today and join my team. And you can join my team at limitlesspaydays.com. It'll be the first link in the description. But if you guys were to join, I would go ahead and give you access to my affiliate marketing course for free. And that is a huge bonus within itself because there's tons of training and I break down exactly how I promote and make money from Legendary Marketer. And also you get access to my private Facebook group for members of my team. And so you would have direct access and mentorship to me. So I hope that makes sense to you guys and how an affiliate marketing network system, an affiliate system, the key is the word system, is, in my opinion, the number one way to start leveraging sales in a system so you can start making commissions, both high and low ticket commissions. So low ticket being, you get commissions off of people that join, and if they pay $30, you get $18 out of that commission, and you can also get up to much higher commissions than that, and that is where the coaches come in and walk you through the process of how to get licensed and how to get positioned to receive the highest commissions, and so you can, potentially make, 6K months and 20K months and beyond. And as a disclaimer, my results aren't normal. Like, not everyone's going to come into the system and make $500 in their first 2 weeks. You can definitely sharpen your skills and learn from the Marketers Club and the different products to be able to get to that level. All right, so, but I'm just going to tell you guys right now that you have to be patient, be willing to work and grind, because this is going to be your online business that you will have and be able to leverage for as long as you want as you're in the affiliate marketing space. All right, guys, so go ahead if you're interested in joining Legendary Marketer. If you join through my link below, go ahead and shoot me an email with your receipt and let me know that you joined Legendary Marketer, and I would get you hooked up on your bonuses. All right, guys, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hope it was helpful. Just give me a thumbs up if you liked this video, got any value. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and of course, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Alrighty, take care.